Hello YouTube, this is Martin, your boy. I haven't shaved lately, sorry about that. No call. Really? Hey. Speak. Speak, forever hold your peace. Pain in the butt, but I still love them. Anyways, this is a small update with the golf cart. Oh, now you want to talk. Anyways, this is an update of the golf cart. My friend was going to help me out last Sunday, but his job description changed on him, so therefore his scheduling changed a little. You have to do that while I'm talking. Butthead. I still love him. So that's been slightly delayed. Oh, you do talk on the phone while it's recording. Anyways, yeah, he's the one who I'm always complaining about being mouthy. I did order some replacement parts cosmetically for the cart, and got them on eBay. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a long time. Last time I did that was the Steve Mead Designs audio, the DD1 and the CC1, which I still have here, and the other one's back here. What? Such a bug. You know that? You're such a bug. Anyways, let's get into this. I have yet to open this, so you're getting to view it like me. But then again, it's recording, so I'll still see it first, but it'll be on the video. Yeah. Hold on. There we go. Well, I hope that is aiming at the box. Alright. Enough, little man. Alright. Steve Mead thing. See? That's all I'm gonna open on that box. Is the items I can pull right out from here. Yeah. Now my old ones were broken, and put it here, guys. But all right, let's check it out. Let's see. I'm gonna put you back on here just for a few more seconds. Go lay down, little man. You're a good boy. Wrap this one up, but didn't wrap the other. It's a good package. Alright. Like I said before, my old ones were broken. And I wanted to have new ones. So, one of my old ones, this part here was broken and separated, and on both sides metal clips part on the plastic bye-bye. So yeah, so buying two of these is what I wanted. And put somewhere along here, somewhere in here, I got to cut and then put onto the stretch kit. So, but yeah, not too bad in quality wise. You know, it's a fairly, fairly thick plastic. It's not cheesy. So, all right. So, but like I said, nothing was done to the cart itself, which is, I mean, there's a screen right here. The little kids don't. The cart is out there. Nothing's been done to it. And it's still freaking warm. It's like in the 80s. And it's only, I think, 9 o'clock. Oh. That was the before I did everything. But I have a screen protector. Okay, correction. It's almost midnight. And even the computer says it's still warm. Look at that. See? So, alrighty. Thanks for watching. You are Mouth 80. Yes, you are. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this build. See you next time. And always remember, be safe, be smart. Call that sober driver. Peace.